How much does ceramic tint cost? Let's look at that. So the cost of a ceramic tint job will vary based on a few things. The size of your vehicle, how many windows you have, the complexity of the install, as well as the age of the vehicle. Now, keep in mind, your area in the country also plays a factor in how much a job will cost, based off of demand. A ceramic tint job will cost anywhere from $400 to $500 for an average size four-door sedan. Now that price will increase if you have more windows, and bigger windows mean that price will increase. Some windows do require a lot of skill based on the curvature. Now this requires a lot of labor, which will increase the cost as well. Another variable that will influence the price is the brand of film. Not all ceramic tint is created the same. Take a look at the performance data sheet to compare and find one that works best for you. While the upfront cost of a ceramic tint job is higher, the long-term benefits are undeniable. Do your research and weigh out the pros and cons because everybody's needs are different. What are your needs? I'm Dane from Ceramic Pro. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below.